Did you know that a random faceless TikTok account made $1.5 million in just 30 days? Without showing their face, without making their own product, and without spending thousands on ads? Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you that you can copy this exact method and start making money online without even needing a laptop? Most people struggle to earn online because they think they need followers, special skills, or a big budget. But the truth is, this account cracked a simple viral strategy that anyone can replicate. And today, I'll break it down step by step so you can do the same. Let's get started. Step 1. Find a viral product. The first and most important step in this strategy is finding a trending product, one that people are already buying in huge numbers. Instead of taking a wild guess, we'll use real data to find a product that's already making money. The TikTok account we're talking about made $1.5 million in just 30 days by selling gummy supplements. Why? Because the health and wellness niche is booming on TikTok right now. People are constantly looking for easy ways to improve their health, and gummy supplements are the perfect product. Convenient, tasty, and in high demand. So, how do we find a winning product like this? The answer is simple. COD Dat. COD Dat is a tool that tracks viral products on TikTok in real time. Just type gummies in the search bar, and you'll see a list of highly profitable products that have already made hundreds of thousands of dollars in the past month. The key here is not to reinvent the wheel. Instead of spending time and money testing different ideas, pick a product that's already selling well. By following this method, you eliminate the guesswork and start with a proven winner, just like this TikTok account did. Step 2, sell it without owning inventory now. You might be thinking, I don't own a supplement brand, and I don't have the money to create my own gummies. That's exactly why this strategy is so powerful. You don't need to manufacture anything yourself. Instead of dealing with production, shipping, and storage, you'll use Printify, a print-on-demand service that lets you brand and sell gummy supplements without touching inventory. Here's how it works. Pick a product from Printify's supplement section. They offer high-quality, FDA-approved gummy supplements that are ready to sell. Add your own branding. You can design a custom label with your own brand name and logo. List it in your store. Once someone buys, Printify handles manufacturing and shipping for you. The best part? You don't need any upfront investment. Printify only charges you after you make a sale, so there's zero risk. Step 3. Create a brand in minutes with AI. Now that you have a winning product, the next step is to build a brand around it. A strong brand name and logo make your product look professional and trustworthy, which is essential for sales. The good news? You don't need any design skills to create a high-quality brand. AI can do it for you in minutes. First, you need to choose a brand name. To make sure the name is unique and available, go to Namecheap or any domain provider and check if the domain name is open. Having a matching domain will help you build credibility and set up a store later. Once you have a brand name, it's time to create a logo. Instead of hiring a designer, use AI-powered tools like Ideogram. Just enter a prompt like a modern minimalist logo for a gummy supplement brand called Vita Gummies. Within seconds, AI will generate a professional-looking logo that you can use on your website, product labels, and social media. At this point, you have a trending product, a unique brand name, a professional logo, and the best part? You haven't spent a single dollar yet. Step 4. Set up a store in less than an hour. Now that your brand and product are ready, the next step is to set up a store so people can actually buy from you. But don't worry, this doesn't mean you need to build a complicated website. In fact, you can have everything ready to sell in less than an hour. There are 2 easy ways to launch your store. 1. Shopify store, the best option for long-term growth. Shopify allows you to create a fully automated store where Printify handles orders, payments, and fulfillment. It syncs directly with Printify, so when someone orders your product, Printify manufactures and ships it automatically. You don't have to do anything. 2. Printify Pop-Up store. If you don't want to build a website, Printify can host your store for free. They'll create the product page, handle customer service, and let you start selling instantly. The only downside is that you can't use a custom domain. Step 5. Create viral content without filming. Now that your store is live, you need traffic, and the best way to get it is through free viral TikTok content. But here's the best part. You don't even need to record your own videos to make this work. The TikTok account that made $1.5 million in 30 days never showed their face. Instead, they used a smart content strategy, AI-generated videos. Tools like Pika Labs can create realistic videos that look like they were filmed by a professional. Simply type a text prompt, and AI will generate a unique video for you. UGC creators on Fiverr. You can hire user-generated content, UGC creators, to make short, engaging product clips. These are real people testing the product, which boosts trust and drives more sales. Remix viral videos, find trending videos related to your product, and edit them with captions, voiceovers, and branding. This method works because you're repurposing content that's already proven to go viral. Step 6. Automate content creation with AI. One of the biggest challenges in growing a TikTok account is posting consistently. But with AI, you don't have to spend hours creating content. AI can do the heavy lifting for you. Here's how to automate your content creation. ChatGPT for viral scripts. Not sure what to say in your videos? ChatGPT can generate engaging video scripts based on trending topics. Just type a simple prompt, and it will create a high-retention script in seconds. Canva AI for thumbnails and graphics. Eye-catching thumbnails increase views. With Canva's AI tools, you can generate TikTok cover images, social media posts, and branding assets in minutes. CapCut AI for video editing. CapCut, a free editing app, now has AI-powered features that automatically edit, trim, and add effects to your videos. Just upload raw content, and AI will turn it into a viral-ready clip. Step 7. Boost sales. Without TikTok Shop, many people believe that a TikTok Shop is necessary to sell products successfully on TikTok, but that's simply not true. Even if TikTok Shop isn't available in your country, you can still sell your product and make thousands of dollars by using alternative sales methods. The TikTok account we've been discussing didn't rely on TikTok Shop. Instead, they used a smart strategy to drive traffic to their store. The easiest way to sell without TikTok Shop is by adding your store link to your TikTok bio. When a video goes viral, viewers check the profile, and having the link right there makes it easy for them to buy instantly. Another great method is using a mini funnel. This means collecting viewers' emails in exchange for a freebie, like a discount code, and then redirecting them to your Shopify or Printify store. For an even more powerful approach, you can use AI-powered chatbots that send a direct DM with your product link when someone comments phrases like, "I want this," or "Where can I buy?" on your videos. This automates customer engagement, keeps your audience excited, and increases conversions. These simple yet effective strategies drive consistent traffic to your store, helping you make sales even without TikTok Shop. Step 8. Scale to 1.5 million, like this account did. At this point, you have everything in place: a trending product with proven demand, a fully automated store using Printify, a content strategy that doesn't require filming, AI tools handling the hard work for you. Now, the only thing left to do is scale up, and this is exactly how the TikTok account exploded from $119,000 in one day to $1.5 million in just a month. The key to growth is consistency. To keep your product in front of as many people as possible, post at least 3 to 5 times per day on TikTok. The more content you put out, the more chances you have of hitting the TikTok algorithm's sweet spot and going viral. But don't stop there. Reposting your content on other platforms like Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts will multiply your reach without extra effort. These platforms have their own viral algorithms, so your videos can gain millions of views across multiple channels. Another powerful method is to partner with influencers, even small ones, who can create authentic content and bring more attention to your brand. And that's it. Now you know exactly how a faceless TikTok account made $1.5 million in just 30 days, and how you can do the same step by step. If this video gets 5,000 likes, I'll make a full tutorial on how to automate this business with AI, so you can run it completely hands-free. Also, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'll answer as many as I can. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more crazy online money-making strategies. See you in the next video.